today's video is most requested video. I'm already touching my hair. Wow. Today's video is hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is most requested video about how to grow your hair faster and more faster. Oh yeah, so today I'm gonna show you the whole thing step by step, like what you have to do, what you have to wait, and what you have to avoid. Okay, so let's get started.
I want to share with you some tips. Number 1. Never start brushing your hair from the roots to the end, especially if you have long hair, because when you are brushing all the way through you might cause break. So always brush your hair from the ends to the roots. Number 2. At the end of the shower, make sure you rinse your hair with cold water, because cold temperature water is going to be more beneficial for your hair. It's going to close and seal off all the cuticles in the hair, therefore allowing your hair to be less dry and damaged and cause less split end. Hence your hair will grow a lot longer and lot faster. Number 4. Take castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil and 2 drops of lavender oil and mix them well. Now you can massage the scalp for about 15 to 20 minutes. Do this once a week before going to bed. Number 5. So most of us have our hair falling down this way because of the gravity on the earth. Our hair will fall downwards once in a while. It's definitely if your hair backwards, and that way it actually stimulates the root where it's sitting. So for example, if your hair has been sitting in a direction for a very long time, it's going to have much blood circulation. If you flip it towards the other side and you are actually stimulating the hair, you are causing it to be a bit more active, therefore your hair growth can be stimulated as well. Number 6. Always wash your hair from the roots. Don't wash your hair or rub your hair to the end, because it causes damage your hair very badly. Always shampoo twice, and shampooing is very important because when you have nice and clean hair after shampooing, so that the conditioner will work better for your hair as well. So for condition, and when conditioning your hair, is strongly suggest to remove as much water from your hair as possible. So try to even towel dry hair if you can before you apply the condition. A lot of times conditioner will work a lot better, can absorb into a lot faster if the hair is. Also when applying conditioner, remember to apply from the end of your hair up. Try and avoid using the scalp area altogether, because you don't need any moisture, the scalp is definitely. Then you have to wait for 2 minutes. So avoid wrapping your hair in a towel, especially after you washed it. It can cause breakage and snap. Don't use this type of towel. Only use the cotton soft towel for your hair. So once you come out of the shower and you towel dry, do not rub or go crazy with it, because you actually damaging your hair. You want to make sure that you just towel dry by squeezing down on the towel very gently. Also applying to brushing your hair when it's wet. It's an advice to never ever try to brush your hair when it's wet. Only brush your hair when it's semi-wet, or like semi-dry I should say. So the next is avoid hair dryer as possible as you can. If you want to blow dry your hair, make sure that you are about 37 cm away, so not too close to the scalp. So the health of your scalp is also very important in terms of the health of your hair, but also the rate it grows. Always try to blow dry up down, and please try to dry your hair naturally. Okay, so the next is don't sleep with open your hair. It causes damage your hair very badly. So always try to make a bun before going to bed. So of course there are also something that you should avoid. Try to avoid junk food. Yeah, I know you can't do that, but you have to do. So now what you have to eat. Number 1. Walnuts. Walnuts are incredibly hair friendly. Not only do walnuts have more omega-6 fatty acid than any other food, but they are also full of zinc, iron, vitamins B, vitamin B1, B6 and B9 and plenty of protein. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are protein rich and also B complex vitamins and folic acids, and again important for hair growth. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach is a superfood comprising of vitamins B, C and E, potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which are required for healthy hair growth. Number 4. Sweet potato. Sweet potato in foods is converted to vitamin A in the body, and vitamin A is necessary for all cell growth including hair. Number 5. Salmon. This fish is loaded with the strong hair supporters like vitamin D and protein, and it also contains omega-3 fatty acids that promote hair growth by keeping your scalp healthy.
So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you enjoyed my video then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any question about hair care and skincare or anything like that, then please mention it in the comment section below. So now take care and bye.